Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Revealing Concepts. In today's video, we would be starting with exercise or practice set 5.1. We would be solving the problems that are given in this practice set. If you haven't watched the introduction video, please do visit my channel and watch those two introduction videos because those are very helpful. They would be helping you to understand all the concepts, all the terms that we would be using now onwards to solve the exercises that are given to you. Actually, it is advisable, and I know it would be very beneficial for you guys if you first see the introduction video so that the entire process of understanding or solving these exercises would be very smooth for you. फिर से आपको वो topics, वो meaning terms के meanings understand करने नहीं पड़ेंगे because you would be learning them in that introduction video only. So let's start. Now here the question says, the main question is how many possibilities are there in each of the following? You have to see कि possibilities कितने हैं. Possibilities मतलब outcomes कितने possible है. That is just the question. So you have been given these situations. You can say random experiments we can say. तो और उसके हिसाब से depending upon what the situation is, अपन find out करेंगे कि how many possibilities are there. I'll read out the question for you. In the first question, there's a girl called Vanita, and she knows the following sites in MH stands for Maharashtra. It's not advisable for you guys to write these shortcuts in the exam. So Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in summer vacation, just one of them. So there is Ajanta, there's Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, WLS's Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandwan. So these are the sites which she knows and she is planning to visit one of them. So possibilities कितने हैं? How many possibilities are there in total? That she might, उसमें से एक ही, लेकिन उसके पास possibilities कितने? She might visit this place, she might visit this place. So वो अजंता जा सकती है, महाबलेश्वर जा सकती है, या लोनार सरोवर जा सकती है, या ताडोबा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी जा सकती है. So जितने भी है, these are the possibilities, right? So let's just count. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You know, now you might say ki what an easy exercise it is. So these exercises are just to give you so that you would get a hang of what exactly is probability, उसके जो basic terms है जो अपन ने introduction में देखे हैं. So just to get the hang of all these simple terms ये exercises दिए हैं. So please don't consider them as trivial ones because they are also very important. You would get used to terms like experiment, possibilities, outcomes, etc. You have to understand why this is given. क्या है इस question में क्या important है कि Vanita knows these places. इतने सारे हैं, इसमें से she is going to visit one place. तो अगर possibility है, possibility क्या है that she can go to Mahabaleshwar, possibility है she can go to Raigad also because she knows these places. And since she knows these places, इसके लिए these are all the possibilities, right? Similarly, अगर आपको कोई situation दिया है, तो उस situation में जितने भी possibilities है, उतने आपको लिखने हैं. That becomes the part of your sample space. So you have to link it like this with the concepts that you have learned, so that जैसे जैसे exercise बढ़ते जाएंगे, तो complexity is going to increase. So here, if you see, how many did we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7 and 8. So the possibilities here are, the total possibilities is equal to 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the total possibilities are 8. Okay, she has 8 options to visit और वो possibilities बन जाएंगे क्योंकि इसमें से कुछ भी हो सकता है. Possibilities 8 है, उसमें से एक ही जगह पे she is going to visit. Don't get confused with एक ही तो आंसर आएगा. She is just going to visit one place. Yes, she is going to visit one place. लेकिन possibilities कितने हैं? 8. She might visit any of them. तो अभी के लिए possible है कि ये 8 जगह है, इसमें से कोई एक होगा. Let's move on to the next question. Any day of the week to be selected randomly. There is no condition given that the day. Okay, so let's first understand this. Any day of the week to be selected randomly. So first we will write the sample space for this. Of course, it would be Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then we have Thursday, Friday, and then finally the weekend, Saturday. So this is the sample space for the given random experiment. अभी इसमें से किसी एक को सिलेक्ट करना है, तो कितने पॉसिबिलिटीज है अपन के पास? There are 7 possibilities. So the total possibilities that are there with us, it is 7. This is where your solution ends. ठीक है? Now third, select one card from the pack of 52 cards. 52 cards. Again, is there any need to write the sample space over here? No, nobody is asking you. You're just going to write that n of s in this case is 52. Therefore, we can say that the total possibilities over here, and here the answer is itself given in the question only. One card, no condition has been imposed. Red card ही pick करना है नहीं. One card is to be picked up from the deck of or from the pack of 52 cards. So the total possibilities over here is 52. Likewise, the final question. One number. Now be very careful with such type of questions. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. ऐसा नहीं दिया one number between 10 to 20. From 10 to 20. So here the sample space would include 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Don't make the mistake of writing the sample space from 11 to 20 and of course you'll say, ma'am, the answer is 10. No, here the total possibilities are 11 as per the normal English language that has been given in this question. क्या बोला है? One number from 10 to 20. 10 से लेकर 20 तक, 10 से लेकर 20 तक एक खुद 10 भी आ जाएगा, फिर 11 to 20 those 10 numbers. So the total possibilities in this case is 11. See, this question is very easy. It's very trivial. When you see, you would be like, yeah, ma'am, this is so easy. The answer is 10, but the answer is not 10. Such questions might come in your exam to actually check your presence of mind, to actually see how aware you are. So here, if you see the total possibilities that are there in this case is 11. Okay. Now one extra thing that I would like to tell you so that you would also understand जो अपन ने last video में किया था कि probability कैसे find out करनी. Let's say that I would give you an event. ठीक है? An event of getting a day or of selecting a day that starts with letter T. Okay, from this. So here E is an event such that whenever you are going to pick a day, it is going to start with letter T. So if it is going to start with letter T, tell me, or you can just write it in your notebook, how many days are there that starts with letter T? No, correct. It is Tuesday and it is Thursday. So event E के set में Tuesday आ जाएगा and Thursday आ जाएगा. उस हिसाब से your n of e in this case would be equal to 2, and probability of getting this event, of getting a day that starts with letter T would be of course n of e upon n of s. This is nothing but your probability of e, which is nothing but 2 by 7. So see, दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. अगर आपको ये लिखने आ जाएगा तो ही आप आगे बढ़ सकते हो. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू राइट दिस, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू नो कि टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज ही क्या है, then it's not easy or it's not possible for you to move ahead. आप गलत हो जाओगे. जैसे इस केस में you might go wrong. You can write 11 to 20 but 10 is also included. So first understand कि sample space कैसे लिखना है, possibilities कितने हैं total. उस हिसाब से जो event दिया है उसमें क्या आ जाएगा, वो तो यहाँ से ही आ जाएगा because event is a sub collection of sample space. And according to that you're going to get the probability of this event. Likewise, we did a problem related to the cards in the last class. इसमें भी if I tell you what is the or what's the event, I'll give you an event. Here A is an event of getting a number greater than 15. So you are supposed to write all those numbers of which are greater than 15. Now you might say 15 से greater तो सारे numbers है, but from this sample space. So we would get 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So your n of A in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So probability of A is n of A upon n of S, which is 5/11. So this simple is your probability. ये अपन बहुत बाद में देखने वाले हैं, इसके पहले भी बहुत सारे एक्सरसाइजेज है, बट यू नो इफ यू नो दिस बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स देन यू वुड बी एबल टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन प्रोबेबिलिटी. सो आई होप you all have understood what has been taught in today's video. And if you have not understood, you can post your doubts in the comment section as well and reach out to me. I would surely be very happy to solve your doubts. So that's all for today in this video, and see you soon in the next video. I would request you all to please share this videos with your friends and please to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much. See you soon.